So Cyrus and Darius see a bloody note outside the house that says I am back. And Cyrus and Darius don't know who put this note on the wall. And Darius is also showing the note to Marcus on the video call, and Marcus also don't know about it, and there are blood stains on this note. And Cyrus and Darius think that maybe there might be someone inside the house too. Then Cyrus and Darius go inside the house and pick up a bat as a weapon. And inside the house they find another note with an arrow on it. And Cyrus and Darius have seen this stuff before, and Cyrus thinks that maybe Darius is trying to make a joke, but Darius does not know anything about it. And Cyrus also finds a third note in the house, and Darius says that I am not doing all this, and the third note also has an arrow. And Cyrus and Darius are surprised and worried who is making all this mess, and Cyrus and Darius do not understand what all this note is about. And then another note is seen outside, and Darius tries to assure Cyrus that I am not making any trouble. And then Cyrus reads the third note, and this note mentions a box. And Cyrus and Darius have no idea who could be trying to do all this mess. And Darius checks around the house but no one is seen. And then Darius also reads the third note. And because of all these notes, Darius is very scared, and Darius thinks that there may be many notes inside the house. Then Cyrus sees another note, and this note also has an arrow on it. And Cyrus and Darius try to look at this note very carefully because there is a photo of an animal on this note, and Darius is very scared in this situation. And then Cyrus and Darius try to go upstairs, and Cyrus is also checking the room well, but Cyrus and Darius do not find anyone in the room. And then they see a note in the room too, and Cyrus and Darius think that maybe Lucas and Marcus are messing all this up as a prank. Then Cyrus and Darius see a box on the roof, and the box looks kind of scary from the outside. And Cyrus also finds a note in the box which mentions Cyrus' son. And seeing this, Cyrus gets very scared, and then it is seen that there is blood in this scary box, and a small fake dog is also inside the box. And something like this happened to Cyrus many years ago, and Darius has a very strange fear of the box. And then Cyrus and Darius are exploring further on the roof.